everybody, today I show you an apartment, a studio in the Castle Beach, ocean view with a balcony. Let's go to the visit. Here this is the entrance with a big walk-in closet. Over there the kitchen with the whole furniture, microwave, gas, fridge, everything. The bathroom. This unit have 400 square feet, 2 bedroom, 2 bed, sorry. Like this you can put 4 people. Table with the TV with the cable TV and internet. And the amazing ocean view with the balcony. Look at this view. This is an amazing view from the ocean. And you can see the sidewalk too. That's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Take a look. It's not expensive. It's very good price for a short-term rental apartment. See you soon. Bye bye.